Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript coding challenge. In today's video, we are going to solve a challenge that is given a string, return digits if the string has more digits than letters. Return letters if it has more letters than digits. And return type if it has the same amount of digits and letters. Okay, that is the challenge. And conditions are digits consist of 0 to 9. Letters consist of A to Z in upper or lowercase. Ignore any other characters. Okay, this is the challenge. Now let's start solution for this challenge. Okay, here we are going to design a function digits or letters which takes string parameter. Okay, now let's initialize counters for letters and digits. Okay, and initialize with 0. Okay, now we are done with initializing counters for both letters and digits. Now let's loop through each character of string. For that, let's take for loop. Let's see of str, and inside for loop, let's check for if the character is a letter, then we should increment the letter count. Okay, for that the condition is if given character is letter or not. For that I'm taking here regular expression to check for the letters, that is A to Z, small a to Z, capital, that is upper case A to Z. Okay, and then let's use test method to check whether given character, the given character is letter or not. If it's a letter, simply increment the letter counter by 1. Okay, similarly let's go for another condition to check the character is digit or not. Okay, for that again I'm using regular expression to check for the digit of given character, and then use test method, pass the character. If it's a digit, simply increment digit counter by 1. Okay, so by end of for loop we get the letter count and letter count and then digit count. Now after for loop, what we have to do is first check the count of, that is letter count, and then compare the letter count and then digit count. If letter counter, that is letter counter is greater than digit counter, okay, we simply return letters. We simply return letters. Next, if digit counter greater than letter counter, we simply return digits. Okay, the final thing is if both of these conditions fail, then we should return type. That means the given string has uh, digits and letters equally. Okay, type. Okay, we are done with the solution. Okay, where we initialized two counters to hold the values for letters and digits, and then we loop through each for loop. Okay, to check the character of string is digit or letter. If it's a letter, we simply increment the letter counter. If it's a digit, we increment the digit counter. At the end of our loop, we get the values for both digit as well as letters. After that, we simply use if condition to check whether letter count is greater than or digit count is greater than letter count. Based on that, we simply return the values. Okay. If both are equal, we simply return type. Now let's see whether our solution is working as expected or not by running the test. Let's run the test. Okay, our test case is passed without any issue. That means our solution is working as expected. If you see here, we have around total 6 test cases, all passed. So our solution is working as expected. Okay, that's about the today's challenge. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thanks for watching.